Look, suddenly it has started to rain. I'm leaving the coffee shop. And look at that, isn't that beautiful? I got this nice, huge, big umbrella here. And you can get it here at Lounge Bar Emma. And let's keep on going. Oh, the wind is blowing. I have to be very careful with this umbrella as it's so huge. But I just love it. Fantastic umbrella. And you see suddenly it has started to rain strongly here in Medjugorje. And I love this umbrella, it's so huge. And let's do a Medjugorje in the rain tour. And you see so many pilgrims in town, another bus and another bus over there. We have Beirut restaurant over there. And we keep on going towards St. James Church. Best thing is to stay in the coffee shop now. But I am enjoying this new umbrella, this huge umbrella. Fantastic. And I hope you enjoyed the Medjugorje tour in the rain. See strong rain in Medjugorje. and also wind, so I have to be very careful with the umbrella. I hope I can pass through here. Yep. Everybody's inside. Burrito was full. And the rain is much needed here in Medjugorje. And you see a lot of water pouring down. And you see the restaurant's full.
Ślina będzie, jakaś ślina.
See, the restaurants are full. Just to give you an impression what's happening, look on this side as well. I'm looking if there's a space inside for me. See, very quiet here in the back, and we continue our tour on the main road here. Looks like a cozy afternoon at home. Okay. You see here, we are at the new museum, passing the Piazza Cafe Restaurant Pizzeria and the museum entrance. So when it's raining, it's a fantastic opportunity to go to the museum, to enjoy the information you get there. It's beautifully made, beautifully arranged, yes. And that's for a rainy day, you know, when you can't go on the mountains. You check out the museum. Hi. Ciao. I'm very happy with my new umbrella. Perfectly serving. And you see so many people in town. You know, this is the right weather to have a warm tea at home, relaxing. And the wind is picking up. And I hope you enjoyed this tour, Medjugorje in the rain. If you did, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button for notification of new videos and give a like. We are coming slowly to the end of the tour. You see, still strong rain. And leave comments from where you're watching, also your prayer requests and intentions. I'm happy to intercede for you here in Medjugorje. My pleasure. Nice to see you. And look at that. And this is the end of the tour, and we are passing Hotel Zurich and also the big road of the hotel lane. Here we are. So please pray for me as I pray for you here in Medjugorje. Have a joyful, beautiful day wherever you are. And remember, we are singing in the rain. We are the Hallelujah people. So God bless you all from Medjugorje.